Hello there and welcome back to another video. Today guys, we are here for our next part inside of the how to make a raise a flopper type game in Roblox over here guys. In today's video we will be making our flopper poop on the floor and it will spawn in randomly, and also whenever you run into it you will slip over. So it's going to be quite an interesting one over here, quite exciting, and I've got a lot of, well, it is going to be quite cool over here guys, quite easy to implement. Before I start anything off over here and show you guys exactly how you can go in and do this, I first need to go in and tell you a little bit about RVLXcodes.com, which is my own Roblox code website where you can find out game codes, music codes and guides. There is tons of stuff in there that you guys have to check out. Overall we cover codes for over 1000 Roblox games, so if you guys need a code for a game it will be there. Anyway guys, I guess let's just go ahead and go on into this video now. Okay guys, before I actually start anything off over here, I just need to quickly make a little small announcement to you guys. I am actually going to be on holiday from the 23rd of July until the 30th of July. This is going to be the last raise a, like how to make a raise a something type game until I come back from holiday guys. So you'll not be getting another episode of this for another maybe like a week or so guys. So just keep that in mind, and if you are expecting some episodes, they're going to be coming later on. However, I'm definitely not quitting the series. However guys, that does not mean that the channel is going to be dead for that 1 week. I do have daily uploads scheduled for that, for a completely new series, which you guys, you're going to really find well, it's going to be really useful to absolutely everyone watching right now. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I recommend subscribing with the notification bell on. Anyway guys, with all that out of the way, let's get on to the real thing which you guys came for today. So first things first guys, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually get your hands on some poop. So pretty much guys, what I recommend doing is searching the workspace, sorry guys, searching the toolbox for some poop over here guys, and I want that to just one single part. It's going to make it a little bit easier over here right now guys. Just look for one that is just one part, and then that should be good over here. This one, yeah, okay, so this one over here, we have this poop over here. It's one complete part. I recommend using one just like this. I'm gonna not put it, name it pop, rename it poop. There we go guys. Okay, so now we have our poop. This is what our flopper is gonna go ahead and drop. So what we want to go ahead and do right now guys is actually add our first thing. Well, first of all we want to anchor this poop, so make sure you guys anchor it over there. And what we are going to do is first of all create the script that's going to make us slip over whenever we run into this poop. So I'm just going to go in and call this script slip over here right now guys, and what I'm going to do is do this. So we're going to do local poop is equal to script.parent. Then guys, we're going to do poop dot touched connect function, and then after that guys, we're going to put hit inside of here. Here we go guys. Next we're going to do if hit dot parent find first child humanoid. Then also guys, keep in mind if you are actually, sorry I spelled that wrong, humanoid. Also guys, if you are struggling with this and you do need my help, you guys can actually download this exact Roblox Studio file from my Patreon. That's linked down below in the pinned comment of today's video, and also on there you can receive one-to-one help from me, so make sure you guys do check that out. Okay guys, anyway, now that we've got this, what we are going to do after that is do local character is equal to hit.parent. Then guys, we are going to do if not character find first child not player player. Then after that guys, we are going to do hit.parent.humanoid humanoid.sit is going to be equal to true. The reason why we are doing this line over here is because even if our flopper runs into the poop, this is still gonna run all this until this point, and that's because our flopper is kind of like disguised as a humanoid over here. And the reason why we did add the not player thing is so it doesn't pick up the cache, and also now it will not be tripping over the poop whenever it runs back over it. However guys, we will. So if I quickly jump on the game right now, whenever I actually run in the poop, as you can see, the flopper just went over the poop there like 2 times, but if I run into it I do trip over guys. So yeah, that's pretty much that's pretty much what that does over there guys. So pretty cool. Now we have the slipping aspect of our poop. Next guys, we actually want to make it so that our poop can be cleared up. How exactly can we go and make this guys? Well, I'm going to add a new thing, proximity prompt. We use a lot of these in this series. What I'm going to do is make the max activation distance 5, because we don't want to clear up the poop from like quite far away. I'm going to make it relatively close. Then guys, in our action text, it's going to be just clean over here right now, guys. And then I also recommend you put the whole duration to something like 2 or 3, because we don't want to just instantly clear off the poop. It needs to be kind of like a slower process. Okay, now that we have that over there, what we are going to do is add a new script inside of here, and we are going to go in and call this, well, we can call this clear poop over here right now, guys. Then we are going to do local proximity prompt is equal to script.parent. Then we are going to do local poop is equal to proximity prompt.parent. After that, guys, we're going to do proximity prompt.triggered connect function, and then, guys, we're just going to simply destroy the poop because they cleared it up. So now we are going to destroy it. So poop destroy. And now that we've done this over here, guys, if we jump on into the game, we will be able to clear up this poop from the floor, which is going to be really, really useful, guys, because if we didn't have this, then there would be like hundreds of pieces of poop on the floor. Anyway, guys, so it still makes it so that we trip over it, but now we can also clean it up. Well, that's brilliant. Our floppers just went by it, but yeah, guys, clean it up over here, and as you can see, completely disappeared. We don't trip over it anymore, which is awesome, guys. But how exactly can we make this so the poop actually spawns in? Well, to do this, guys, it's quite simple. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, first of all, move this poop from here to the replicated storage, because we don't need that in the game as of now. Next, guys, in our flopper, inside the humanoid root part, we have our dropper part over here, guys. I'm just going to simply duplicate this, and then I'm going to move this down closer to the floor, and then a little bit like behind our flopper over here right now, guys, just around about here. That seems to be good, because we don't really want our poop to be inside our flopper, because when the player runs into our flopper, they may trip over and not realize that there's poop in there, as you can run into the flopper, guys. And also it just makes it a bit nicer just to know that poop is there, and when it comes out, you don't want it to be like hidden under the flopper when it's standing still and then waiting for it to go. You kind of want to just see it spawn straight in, if you guys get what I mean. That's why we used in this part to actually show the game where to put our poop. So yeah, guys, instead of calling this dropper part, we are just going to go ahead and call this, let's just call this poop dropper over here right now, guys. Then yeah, just have that over there. Then, guys, what we are going to go ahead and do is add a new script inside the humanoid root part, and I'm just going to go ahead and call this script pooping. There we go. What we are going to do is this. So we're going to do local flopper is equal to script.parent. Then we are going to do local poop dropper is going to be equal to flopper wait for child, and then poop dropper. There we go, guys. After that, we are going to do local replicated storage is equal to game get service replicate storage. After that, guys, we're going to do local poop is equal to replicate storage wait for child, and then poop. After that, guys, we're going to do we're going to do while wait math.random. And then we can do, right, okay, what I'm just going to do to start off with is just 1 to 3. I'll be telling you guys what to do later on. Then we're going to, sorry, guys, then we are going to do. Okay, next we're going to do local new poop is equal to poop clone. Then, guys, we're going to do new poop dot position is equal to poop dropper dot position. Then, guys, we're going to do new poop dot parent, and that's going to be equal to the workspace right now, guys. Okay, now that we've got this, every either 1 to 3 seconds, well, between 1 and 3 seconds, poop's going to spawn in behind our flopper. So if you just wait a little bit, guys, as you can see, there's some poop here. We're going to fall over it right now, guys, and we want to wait for our flopper to move. Hopefully it will move sometime soon. But also, guys, the reason why we can't see like the E over there, guys, is because it stopped and it's like got like a bunch of poop in one place. When these proximity prompts overlap, you can't actually like clear them up, if you guys see over here. But that's not going to be a problem for us, because we are not going to have our proper flipping this we are not going to have our popper, I can't speak today, we are not going to have our flopper pooping this often, because it will pretty much turn from a raise game into a avoid the poop game. So to do this, guys, we're just going to increase decrease the frequency, and I recommend doing something from about 30 to 60 seconds. We don't exactly want this to our flopper to be pooping like every interval, let's say every 30 seconds, because it would then get quite repetitive. So we have a bit of difference, and that's why we put in between 30 to 60 seconds, guys. So it's a random amount from 30 to 60 seconds. For example, if it poops now, then it right, let's say we've waited 30 seconds and that poops, then it would wait, let's say, a random amount. Let's say it would wait 45 seconds before it poops again. So we'll just add a little bit of variation in the game, making it just a little bit more random outcomes, which will be nicer for the player over here, guys. And also, it's gonna avoid the issue of you having like tons of bits of poop piled up, because you'll not have poops spawning every seconds. So when Floppa like stands still for a little bit, that's gonna be fine, as in 30 or 60 seconds time it's not going to be in that same place. And that pretty much is going to be it for this video here right now, guys. A bit of a short one over there, but yeah, quite nice and quite useful. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video here. Again, guys, remember, I will not be making another video on this series for like another week or so, guys. So just keep that in mind if you are worried about this. I'm not quitting this, guys. Do not worry about me quitting this series or any of the other ones on the channel, guys. They are all under works, apart from the how to make it find the game. That's completely done. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video here. Again, if you guys need any help from me, you can find it on my Patreon. But I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to show some support, and peace out.